Hey, thanks for stopping by the channel. Today we're going to attempt to make beer can chicken. Alright, first thing first, butter. Use old country crock. Same thing my grandmother used, you know. Grandmother, mom. Wife don't cook. But, I mean...
Yes, I do.
Anyway, take the butter. Stuff it all up in there. Every which way possible. It's what I seen, you know. Hopefully it works as planned. Rub it all on the butter. Got some butter up in there now. Sorry. Boom. Tuck the butter every which way. After I do this, I'm gonna marinate it for like, bottle says 15 minutes of the marinade I got, so we're gonna see how that goes. Probably defeating the purpose of having all this butter. But, here we go. Alright, now we're about to marinate the chicken. So, we're gonna put it in this bag, one by one. This is small chicken, this is a turkey bag, so should work. You know, put both in one. Oh no. Alright, got both chickens in the bag. So now we're gonna use this marinade that I got called Lawry's, some other stuff. Let's see how this works. It says it's only 15-minute marinade, so I'll let it in there and sit for like probably like 20 minutes, 20, 25. I don't know if I've ever seen anybody like really marinate their beer can chicken. Seems like they just use a rub and then put it on the can and make it happen. But today, we're gonna marinate it with this Lawry's marinade. And some butter in there. And then we're gonna use also some rub. I'm gonna use Grill Mates Sweet and Spicy. So we're gonna see how that is. Oh, I ain't even opened this yet. Not too much though. I put too much on the fish, it was nasty. But, smells like syrup. Alright.
Smells good.
Smells like syrup. Alright. Just gonna put a little bit in there. It's probably more than enough. And then I'm gonna rub this bag.
Get the air out.
Move it all around. Shake it all up. Hope the bag don't bust. Get it all covered. Probably should have brought more than one marinade or two marinades, but I didn't think I was gonna do both chickens, and I think both chickens fit in the one bag that I had.
I think it should be alright.
This should work. Maybe I should add a little more of that sweet and smoky. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh my god. I'm gonna have my wife pour a little in because I just got my hands all contaminated. There you go. Alright, that should work. Alright.
My hand has sauce on it.
And then we're probably about to put this in the fridge. Let it sit for like 20-25 minutes, and I'll be back. Alright, while we wait for the chicken to marinate, we're gonna prep this beer. I got good old Budweiser, you know. And then I'm gonna put garlic in it. You can't really see it, but I chop up the garlic. That way you're able to get the full flavor, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so with the beer, you want it room temperature because if it's too cold and it's not going to steam correctly and all that, whatever. So you want it room temperature, but you're going to pour out a good like a third of it, a half of it, whatever, you know. And then once we do that, because you want to try and make a sauce or something after, maybe, or drink it, who knows. So we're going to put some garlic in it. Probably like 4 cloves of garlic each. Man, garlic's strong. Alright, but we're also going to add, if I had some jalapeno peppers or whatever peppers, we would add that. But today, I think we're going to add some cayenne red peppers and some Old Bay. Crushed red peppers. Got it right to that.
You can cook it any weather with propane.
Add some Old Bay in there. All these flavors are going to come up inside the chicken. Make it so yummy. Well, another reason you want to take some of the beer out, because once you add the Old Bay, it starts bubbling. Okay, since we got the Old Bay, we got the cayenne peppers in there. Guess what? More butter. Always more butter, more butter. No, I'm not for that cross-contamination thing, so I don't know.
Do they know?
I don't know. But
How?
okay. Butter, butter, butter. It's about to be the best beer can chicken y'all have ever seen cooked. Only me. I get to eat it. Alright. Now that we got the chickens on the beer can, like so, We're gonna put them on the grill. Put them right in the middle. Just like so. Smells delicious already, boy. Alright, we're gonna let them sit on here for about probably like 15 minutes. I might turn them around, rotate them, move them around, whatever. We want to have it set on low to medium heat, and it's gonna cook for about an hour, like 45 minutes to an hour. See how it go. Been cooking for about 30 minutes now. Got it at temperature like in between 375, 350, whatever. But they're looking pretty good. Got it all on low heat, and just gonna cook it out. All right, we're all done. There you go. The beer can chicken. It did go a little longer than I was expecting, because this time I did actually cook it on low the whole time, so it was about probably like an hour and a half. And the wings got a little crisp, but I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. So there you go. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe.